So I'm on the leg curl now, and I look at the diagram and I can see this is working the back of my thighs, which is my hamstrings. So I've got some adjusters, got this one here, the old weight stack. Don't want it too heavy for the demonstration purposes. And I've got an adjuster here which adjusts these pads here which support my legs. Before I do that, I'm going to adjust the back support though, so I'm going to squeeze that one in, push the chair back just so that I can get my legs into here. And I want this pad so that it's just below my knee and the back of my calves are supported by this one. So I'm a bit far back, so I'm going to slide that forward. There we go, so I feel much better supported. Now if I had really, really tight hamstrings, I could lower that down a bit. But they're not too bad these days actually, so I'm going to get it straight as I can. There we go. So straight you can start your legs the better because you get a nice big range of motion. So I'm going to begin. So all I'm doing is flexing my knees, bringing my heels towards the back of my thighs. Whilst I'm doing that, I'm sitting right back in the chair, so my back's well supported, and I'm holding on to these hand grips. Once you've got the setup correct, you can't get it too wrong really. When you've finished, press that in, drop the lever down, slide your legs out, and you're done.